Salam everyone, welcome again in the second video, which is about the Unit 1 Gifts of Youth. In this video we are going to see the section of grammar, gerund and infinitive. نحاول نشوف الدرس ديال gerund and infinitive. So first, let's consider these examples. I will swim. Second, I want to swim. Third, I enjoy swimming. So in the first example, we have swim, verb in infinitive, but this infinitive without to. مهم في هذا المثال الأول كنشوفوا الverb swim without to. هذا كيتسمى بالinfinitive without to. Second, I want to swim. Here the infinitive with to. ثانيا عندنا to swim. هنا الانفينيتيف ولكن مع to. إذن الانفينيتيف كينقسم لجوج، يا إما infinitive without to ما فيهش to، والانفينيتيف اللي فيه to. مزيان. Third, I enjoy swimming. Here we have gerund. هنا عندنا gerund. Good. So gerund is the verb plus ing. Like swimming, speaking, reading. Infinitive, we have infinitive with to, like to swim, to speak, to read. And infinitive without to, like swim, speak, read. مزيان. Some expressions are followed by a gerund, which is verb plus ing. Infinitive with to means to plus infinitive, or infinitive without to. So these are the expressions. So first we have expressions followed by gerund. هنا عندنا واحد الاكسبريشنز والافعال اللي فين ما كنشوفوهم في الجمله الا وكيتبعهم الفيرب in gerund. كيتبعهم الفيرب gerund. مزيان. For example, like verbs, for example, admit, adore, anticipate, appreciate, avoid, deny, dislike, enjoy, finish, hate, imagine, involve, love, mind, suggest, spend. And some expressions like be fed up with, be used to, can't help, can't stand, can't stop, look forward to, would mind, be fond of. And prepositions about, of, for, in. So these expressions and verbs and prepositions are followed by gerund. فهنا خص هادو يتحفظوا. مادام انكم حفظتوا هاد الافعال والاكسبريشنز والprepositions ملي كيكونوا في الجمله كيتبعهم gerund. مزيان. Second, expressions followed by infinitive with to. Verbs like advice, offered, agree, appear, ask, choose, dare, decide, demand, deserve, encourage, expect, hope, intend, learn, manage, need, offer, plan, promise, refuse, seem, teach, want, wish. Third, expressions followed by infinitive without to, like modal verbs will, would, can, could, may, might, shall, should, and some verbs like hear, feel, let, let's, and make. Here are some examples. John is fond of. Another expression is fond of. Is fond of, it is followed by gerund, so is fond of watching movies. Second, I wish to have a car. Wish is followed by infinitive with to, so to have. Third, let's exercise sport. So let's is a verb followed by infinitive without to. Exercise. Good. Here are remark. The gerund verbs are also used as a subject of sentence. هنا عندنا الجيرند verbs. gerund verbs يمكن أنهم يستعملوا كسubject. متفقين؟ مثلا eating fruits is good for your health. هنا eating is a verb, gerund verb, but it functions as subject. مزيان. هنا eating fruits. إذن فاش الفعل كي يلعب الدور ديال subject كيكون في gerund. مزيان. Second, asking your teacher during the class will help you understand well. 3. Helping people will make you a good person. So now let's move to do these exercises. هنا حاولوا ما أمكن توقفوا الفيديو وتجاوبوا على التمرين من بعد غندوزو للتصحيح. Good. So let's start with the first one. So try to avoid the verb is eat food that contains too much fat. هنا عندنا avoid. Avoid is followed by gerund. So try to avoid eating. Second, Bob and David enjoy. Here we have enjoy. Watch science fiction films. So enjoy is followed by gerund. So enjoy watching. I need know why my daughter's marks are so bad this semester. So here we have the verb need. Need is followed by infinitive. Which infinitive? Infinitive with to. So I need to know. Ali decided buy a new computer next month. So decide is followed by infinitive with to. The doctor advised my mother eat fruits. So advise is followed by infinitive with to. So advise my mother to eat. Ahmed's mother is looking forward to visit her children in Spain. So here is looking forward to is followed by gerund. So is looking forward to visiting. The government decided start a campaign in many schools. So decide is followed by infinitive with to. So decide to start. Sam plans study abroad next year. So plans is followed by infinitive with to. So plans to study. I'm sorry for. So for here is a preposition followed by gerund. So I'm sorry for being late. The teacher should hear models. Models are followed by infinitive without to. So the teacher should motivate his students. His parents didn't let him go to the party. So let is followed by infinitive without to. So let him go. I stopped. Talk to him. Stop is followed by gerund. I stopped talking to him. Finally, listen to your parents makes you a respectful boy. Here the verb listen is functions as subject, so listening to your parents makes you a respectful boy. So this is what we all have in today's lesson. I hope you all understand this lesson. Thank you for your attention and see you in the next videos, inshallah.